Alright, we're doing the throttle body on a Yukon Denali. I think this is a 2012. And first I took the engine top cover off, and that just pops off. You pull it out and you gotta shimmy it out, especially with this side. And then we took the silencer off for the throttle body. Just 2 screws, one here and one screw here, and then just wiggle it off. And don't forget to undo the hose clamp down here. Stick a small screwdriver in that little part and then squeeze that little tab and then it'll just pop right out. So next thing, what we want to do is pull this gray tab out and then squeeze, and then the harness should come apart, and then there's 4 bolts and nuts that will get undone. Okay, so let's give that a shot. Alright, so I let it cool off a little bit, and it's a 10mm, and then we're just gonna release that. Okay, and once you get the last bolt out, it should come free. So there's the last one. They're all 10mm, and then it should just come forward, and there it is, and that's a reusable gasket. So let's take this to a bench and work on it. Alright, we're going to use some CRC throttle body cleaner for the throttle body, and we're going to use an old toothbrush. So just spray it, and you can see it already going. And then just take the old toothbrush and just scrub in all the corners. And I like this toothbrush because you can really scrub it good. Yeah, this is dirty as heck. Okay, look at that. A few minutes and it's spotless. And we're going to get that back on the car. We're going to scrub it just a little bit maybe, but otherwise, I mean, it's clean. Okay, so we're going to get that back in the car. Alright, so the throttle body is clean. We're just going to wipe down the gasket material just a little bit to make sure that there's no gunk on it. That's all, okay? That's it, like that. That should be fine. Just gonna wipe it down. I'll clean the inside of the throttle body just a little bit too, just to make sure there's nothing going in there. Okay, there we go. And then put the throttle body back on. Line up the 2 top screws, like so, like that, and then we can put the bottom 2 into place, and then we put the top nuts in place. Put the wire connector back on. There we go, and then push that back in, and okay, and then we'll put the pieces back in, and then we should be good. Alright, so now we're going to get the silencer back on, and it's got this one mount that's going to go on to that. So we're going to line that up, and then once it gets far enough, I'm going to try to seat that onto it, and that ripped, nice, and then get this around that, and then this part down, and the hose clamp, remember that's going to go around the hose, okay. So let's get that on there we go, nice, and then we'll tighten that up with a screwdriver. Just clipped in. That's it. And the hose back into that little cradle. And then this whole Vortex head cover. This is the hard part. On this side, it slides underneath there. Okay, don't forget the PCV on this far side. Oops, almost forgot. Okay. And you gotta get it underneath the hoses. line up to the clip, and it should just click into place like that. Yep, that's it right there. All right, that's it. We're done. Thank you.